Hello and welcome to our new Excel tutorial series. In this series, we are going through different sections of the Microsoft Excel and learn their function. In this video, we are going to talk about the Clipboard section of the Home tab. This contains four very important tools, that is Cut, Copy, Paste and Format Paint.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
So let's first type some data. So first thing, we will learn the function of the cut tool. Cut tool basically remove the section and put it on the clipboard so that you can paste it somewhere else in the worksheet. So I will select this data, go to this cut option, and then if I want to paste it over here, I will click this cell and then go to the paste option in this clipboard. You can see that the data is moved from its original position to the new position. Now I am showing you another way of doing this. So I will press the Ctrl Z to undo the changes. Going to use the shortcut method. I will select this data. Then the shortcut for the cut is Ctrl X. So I will cut this using the shortcut. And now go to another section of this worksheet, and here I will use the paste shortcut, that is the Ctrl V. Again I am going to revert these changes by pressing Ctrl Z. After learning cut paste, now the next thing is copy paste. So I will select this section, go to the next tool, that is the copy, click this, and now I will move to another place in the worksheet and then click the paste option. So you can see that the data is also present on the original position as well as on the new place. So copy paste means that you are just copying the material to somewhere else. You can copy it at one point or you can copy it at many points as much as you like. Now I am going to teach you the shortcut method of copy and paste. For this purpose, again I will select this data, and now I will press the shortcut Ctrl C and then move to some new place and paste it with the shortcut Ctrl V. Now we are going to learn the last tool of this clipboard section, that is the format paint. So you can see that I have applied some formatting in this section and also wanted to apply the same formatting to somewhere else. So instead of choosing it one by one, I can just select this data and then click the format paint tool, and after this I will paste it to the new data. So you can see that the new data also get the same formatting as we have in the first place. So this was all about clipboard section in the home tab. We have learned three very important techniques, that is cut paste, copy paste and the use of format tool option. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the basics of Microsoft Excel. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. I am thankful to all of you for supporting me creating educational videos for people all across the world. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.